Hello, welcome back to Ivandepot channel. Today I would like to unbox a brand new watch from Citizen, which is the Citizen Promaster with the model reference number NB6008-82X. And this is the very rare and limited edition, which is only 500 pieces in Asia. So let's move on to unbox, shall we? This is the box. It's a very big box because it comes with a very nice oxygen tank packaging like this too. This is a normal version one, and this also comes from a limited edition Promaster. This also comes with same design, but the surface is a bit special, which is in carbon fiber texture. Very cool, right? And it comes with the 3 years warranty from Citizen. It's the instruction. Got nothing else here from the box. Okay, let's put the other two box behind there. Almost the same size. This comes with the gold deck. Okay. Alright. Let's open up. Ooh, very cool and unique. Make sure you remove gently from the box because this watch is very big in size. Alright. Here we go. The case and the bracelets made by the Citizen very unique super titanium material. It's very light and it comes with the Duratect coating technology with very good scratches resistance. Very lightweight for the 46mm watches. Okay, let's move closer. It comes with the gold bezel with the unidirectional rotation. The index and the hours and minute hands come with the golden frame. Zoom in. Yeah. And the dial is in green color with some texture here. They call it Anaconda. Do you feel like Anaconda from here? This is the crown with the Promaster logo. This watch comes with the very nice in-house caliber movement with the number 9051. It comes with 24 jewels and 28 and 800 pph anti-magnetic. The spec wise is very good and high spec, and when you full winding, right, it has the 42 hours of the power reserve. Okay, you need to unscrew first, yeah, to screw and to power up, and one click to adjust the date, 2 click to adjust the time. Okay, 7 here. Yeah, you turn clockwise to adjust the date. Okay. You need to screw back after you set the time to prevent the water run in. Although it's the water resistant of 200 meter, but you remember to screw back, right? This is the case. The bezel design is very unique. There's the other normal version. We come with the silver color and the black bezel with the reference number NB6008 with the similar design, but it comes with the rubber strap one. This one is fully made of the super titanium. Okay. The case size is 46 mm. Yep. And the bezel itself around 44. The thickness 16. Lug to lug 50. And the lug size is 23, around 23. Yeah. It comes with the extendable bracelets. Yeah, over here. And it has a dome sapphire crystal here. It's very nice. Very match the diving watch title. Yep. Later I will show you the room. It's quite nice. Compared to my panerized size, which is in 44 mm here, it looks like smaller size. Maybe because the smaller bezel here. Yeah. My wrist size, by the way, my wrist size is 6.5 inch. Very nice to wear, and you can't feel the overweight here, although this is the 46 mm of watch. Double tap grip. Okay, let me show you the room. Here you go. Very nice, luminous in green color. This is the 12 o'clock. Can turn. Make sure you turn the timer before you go diving here. Right. Very cool V in shape in 12 o'clock. Nice reflection around the ring there. Yep. Alright, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this very rare watch unboxing. Yeah, see you in next video. Thank you. Bye.